Hello guys, good morning. I just want to show you how the super trend indicator works in this particular trading scenarios. So what you need to do, you need to select indicator, something like super trend. So that will show you like this. So go to the indicator and uh, add two indicators, which is super trend and pivot point standard. Or if you're using anyway CPR, then well and good, that also works exactly like a pivot points in uh, Zerodha and other brokerage platforms. So if you are using Angel One or Dhan, CPR is there already. So if wherever CPR is not available, you can use the pivot point standard. So go with only the standard. Otherwise, settings will change there. There are a lot of pivot points available, standard, MACD, and a lot of other things. But yeah, go for standard only, not the classic one. So second is super trend. Super trend don't change any settings. So once you add the super trend, it looks like this indicator. So how to trade in super trend? So this is today's trades, all these trades done by super trend indicator. I will show you how the trade I have taken. So this is a trend 5000 CE, where my entry was 167, exit was 204. So how I took the entry? So now this is about the 5000 CE. 167 was exactly the super trend gave a indicator to enter here in super trend zone. So you will get this arrow marks, which is upside basically. So I had taken an entry at 167 here, and this is where I trailed till my pivot point standard, which is a pivot basically, which is 209. But yeah, I kept 5 point as a stop loss trailing. So at 204 it got triggered when it came back from 215. So 215 I had a chance to exit, but yeah, I wanted to trail it for 5 points because I don't wanted to lose. If you observe yesterday's pivot point at 205, so that was my SL when it made high. So now let me open trend chart. So even trend chart also gave exactly this arrow mark at 9:45 a.m. So in this period I had trailed this 1 2 3 good big candles, and this is how the super trend works. Now let's see how super trend works in a index. So this is a Nifty chart. So super trend gave a drop, which is in the morning 9:15 candle. It gave a drop, so you should have shorted here. If you want to short example 20, right now the mark came on the 9:30 candle, which is around 22 5:30. Now how to choose the strike price? Now see, once you open Nifty, I'll show you Nifty 50 index. Okay, it is not coming, so I will do one thing. Let me delete all these things and I'll show you how to select the strike price. Right now Nifty is at 22,433. So let's open 22,400. C or P, anything you click. Once you click, this will open. So once you click on the strike price, go to the option chain and see currently Nifty at 22,429, and the red are high. It means call sellers are high and put sellers are low. It is ka matlab market might see a small correction here. So 22,428 currently. So 22,400 C or P, if you are taking, it will give a massive decay because it is in the money. So what we need to go, we should go sorry, it is at the money, so we should see in the money options. Now if I want to short, here what I can see, 22,500 PE, which is at 123. I'll select this is added to my watch list, 22,500p. Now how to analyze this setting for taking a trade? Now this is at 122 rupees, 26 lakhs buyers are there, 9 lakhs sellers are there. Now I'll go to the chart and I will see whether it is giving a good breakout or not. See, I had a chance at 80 rupees to buy in the morning, where it gave a super trend, gave a signal. Now it is at 124. So if it is crossing this pivot, which is 138.97, I will enter this trade. For that I need this particular strike to hold this pivot for at least 3 minutes. Now it is in a 5-minute range. Let me change to 3 minutes. So in a 3 minute it is little far. So 138.97 I need to see. Once it is holding that position, then I will take the entry. My first target is around now I'll change to 15 minutes to see quick target upside. So 138.97 is crossing. My immediate resistance, which is your super trend resistance for the bottom, which is 147. That is a scalping trade. If crossing 147.73, you will get a arrow mark to upside basically. So once that is done, you can take an entry and your target will be 188 for sure. So this is how you need to analyze a lot of elements in a trading, then only you can make a good move. For this you need to practice every strategy differently for a longer time frame. What about the stop loss? Stop loss is basically your risk reward ratio, how you need to plan. Now example, let's see Nifty mid cap. So mid cap is basically given a very good drop in the morning and still there is no further support is at 10825. Now let's see, let's change to 5 minutes. See, the drop is there now, 10,873. So I need to see now 10,800 mid cap, C or P, anything I'll click, and it is at 204. So it is in a range bound scenario because 33 and 34 is there. What I'll do, I will look at the option chain here. An option chain, this looks a little risky for me to enter because there is no much activities are happening. So I will only observe this and I'll see the chart. If I'm getting a good setup in a chart, see, chart is giving a very good setup. It is cross 206. It is ka matlab 207. Now if it is sustaining here, because there is a small resistance created, 1 2 3 candles and stopped exactly at 203. Once breaking this candle and closing above this level, I will take the PE entry and my target is 255. Before 255, if I am zooming out and seeing, I will see a 210. There is a small resistance, so I need to wait for the right entry. If after the 210, if I am taking an entry, my first target will be 240 because there is a pivot resistance of yesterday. So this is how you need to see, guys. But yeah, whenever you're starting the day, super trend will give you amazing entry and exit in the beginning of the day itself. Now let's see how look at this entire IT pack is dropped down. Now let's see Dixon or LTIM. Wow, is give amazing drop in the morning, which is the first candle, and you got the signal for a PE. So what you need to do, 4,650 you got a signal. So let's see option chain to understand which strike price we need to see. 4,650 what the drop came. So 4,700 PE also if we select. So I selected the strike price and let me open the strike price and see. Yeah, so it is given at 130 levels entry, and if you would have taken at 140 level entry also fine, or after this pivot 165 to first target 197 to directly 256. It is in a perfect target scenario. So this is how you need to practice each indicator differently to understand the different scenario. Look at this PE Nifty, we were looking at 125, now it is at 134. This is the live scenario. Look at this, it is giving a breakout. So above this particular 145 level only we will take an entry, and mid cap is stuck at 204. This we were looking at 65, now it is a 75. So if you want to scalp it faster, so the super trend indicator will help you. Now if you're asking me how to see a different one which you already showed us about EMA 21. Now example, EMA 21 gave a crossover here which is at 116. So you need to wait for that level, and this will be your stop loss, and keep trailing it. See 139 144. See by looking at this numbers, it gave a scenario of breakout which is in the live. So we will wait for 145. So that is what we thought. Once that is breaking, then we will scalp it. So this is how you need to do, guys, and based on this one you can make a good quick scalping profits, and you can trail it for a bigger profits. Thank you, guys. That's what I wanted to teach. and you need to practice this. Once this is working out, let me know. Anyways, further classes will be on options and only on different indicators, because once you master it, then you can manage a lot of trades. Now you need to save like this watch list if you want to uh, look into particular sectors. This is basically Nifty 50. All 50 stocks are there: Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty, pharma and health. So all the stocks are here: IT and FMCG. So I exactly I follow these all things, because where I will get lot of opportunity to enter and exit in all type of scenarios. So these are the auto and reality stock. This is metals and energy stocks. This is for my intraday one. I kept free because I need to type and add a lot of watch list. So keep practicing this. Now you know how to mark the levels, how the levels works, how the support and resistance works manually and automatically also. You need to practice with the particular similar stocks, like 4 to 5 stocks, like Trent, LTIM, or some of the stocks which you want to focus on and use. Now you know how to use EMA 21 as an indicator, and you know how to trail it with a different type of setup. And now this super trend will help you to take a right trade and a right entry. So now it is at 138, 26 lakhs and 8 lakhs is there. So if it is crossing 140 5, we will take a entry. So this is how you need to do a patiently work. And if you're looking at a 1 minute time frame, 1 minute time frame is purely for a scalping purpose. Now see, in 1 minute time frame at 125, super trend gave entry 125, and your first target is 138. Quickly 1 2 minute scalping, make 10 to 15 points and come out. So if you are looking at a 15 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, still upside super trend indication is not yet done, because it is about to break 147. Breaking this 147 only, we can see the upside green arrow mark in super trend in 15 minutes. So if I'm looking at a 5 days time frame, which is basically 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, it is saying above 178, it is bullish. And if I'm looking at 4 hours time frame, in 4 hours time frame, it is saying about 334. So what you need to do, if you're looking at the Nifty, this is what the second class what you had, different time frame analysis. So 5 minutes chart, 15 minutes, 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart, it is still looks good, but yeah, there is a small support at 22,382. Below that, we can see further fall in Nifty. So this is again 4 hours chart. 4 hours chart, it was a upside here, but yeah, the stop loss is around 22 124. So this is basically a super trend analysis. So when I'm looking at a 1 day chart, in a 1 day chart, there is not yet upside. So only crossing about 22,727, we can see upside in Nifty. So do this, guys, practice this. I'm 100% sure that once you practice, you will be more confident enough. And Ajit was asking me that how to manage emotions when you're trading, and how to manage the mindset. That for that I will make a different classroom altogether, and slowly we will add up each item, like a quick item every time in a class. So you will slowly learn the process first. So practice the super trend. Keep 10 to 15,000 rupees capital. Take stocks. Okay, let me show you how to trade stocks now. Example, Adani 113. So let's see a falling sector stock or a upside sector stock. Now Nifty 50 is falling. So LT, M&M, Reliance, Tata Consumer, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, SBIN. Let's see one of the stocks in a live scenario. I will just show you how. Now example, I'm not getting a right stock here, because market Nifty is in a range bound scenario. 1 minute. So okay, Nifty, Bank Nifty, let's see some stocks will be there in a Bank Nifty. IndusInd Bank looks good. Okay, open the chart. Now see, this is staying here. Now super trend given entry here in the morning 6:30. Now I will buy one stock for you to teach how this cost me around 137 rupees. I did a security band. This is for FNO. So I'll take one stock in the Sin Bank. I bought it around 685. Now this is my stock 685. So I need to wait and see if I'm scalping in an intraday. I need to buy above 695, because 695 1 2 3 4 candles give a resistance here. Now I bought this only to show you. Now 683, so below 680 I will exit, so which is around 3 to 4 rupees loss. I will put SL at 680. I'm sure that SL might hit, because 680 is my SL, because this candle is not the entry candle. Entry price should be around 695, because there is double top ka resistance is given. So now this going to hit my SL, that's okay. I just wanted to show you guys. So you need to take an entry in the morning. When if you would have taken entry at 640, so you would have made around 40 rupees profit in this IndusInd Bank. So let me close this trade. I don't want to waste time on this, so I'll modify it, close it, market, exit. Okay, so I lost around 1 rupee 65 paisa, because this was an intraday stock. So this is how you need to practice. Even in a stock also, super trend works 100%. The thing is here that you should master in one single strategy, like maybe a super trend, maybe a EMA 21. Once you know this, then whatever the stocks you're selecting, maybe a F&O stock, intraday stock, you need to play only with those stocks which will help you to understand uh, uh, or help you to make profits every day. It is typically a scenario where you will master in one particular thing. Now example, see Nifty PE, we wanted to buy above 149, it didn't even touch, so entry is not triggered. So patience is very very important, and follow one single strategy to make it happen. Thank you guys, that's all what I wanted to teach. So anything is there, post your comments. Thank you, bye bye.